say I need to go?
Right here, these red oaks right here. And then I think there's one or two more right there where you busted that one with your skills.
I didn't.
And then that ash right there needs to get cut too. Right there. Crooked, forked on top. Just across the ditch.
Oh, like right there?
Yep.
Not very tall.
No, little squatty. Hey, it's pretty tall. That one right there.
Oh,
just
okay. I see what you mean. I'm gonna cut that one right there too, I think.
That red oak?
Let this one grow.
Yeah, I was thinking. I just didn't want to say it out loud. I was afraid to get it wrong. This whole pin oak or whatever the heck it is right here, it's dead in the middle of the road here. Does it have a tie in it? Got a 6x8 in it.
Maybe. Two right here.
That one and that one.
That over there, I think, is gonna go right out that other top thing.
Where's this one gonna go?
This one's gonna go right in there. Lord, we.
Right. I forgot my hard hat. We didn't need that little red oak anyway.
I could. But in the first week.
It's going.
Huh?
It's going down slowly.
Popping, ain't it? I thought that limb would take it down. Apparently it's pretty stubborn.
You just thrashed that poor little red oak out there.
Yeah, well, I just didn't quite pull it far enough. I don't know. Just didn't do it right.
Alright, next customer.
It's summertime, that's for sure. I'm gonna let that pop around a little bit. I'm gonna cut this other. See if we can mess it up just equally as bad. Equal opportunity out here.
Let's go sawmill, guys. Alright, we got our logs unloaded. Now it's time to scale them. If we get this big old blue piece of junk out of my way. Anyway, we buy our logs by the board foot, so we use a scaling stick. Right here is the international scale. Depends on the type of log and what kind of agreement we've got with the buyer or the landowner or people who sell us logs. We use international dole. When we're buying high grade stave logs, white oak, FAS logs, we use dole scale because that's pretty much the industry standard. Kind of for everything else, international scale. We got our scaling stick. It tells us this is old. This is from like 1990. It tells us the board foot for the length log, tells us the diameter of the log. What we do is I measure the diameter, and then I go by, write it down, then I go back in and plug it into a calculator, and it tells me how many board foot for. I'll do it like this is our timber. So what I do is like usually like a month basis. 1 month I'll put all the logs on one ticket, and then at the end of the month add it all up and pay the person needs to be paid. If it's a logger, we're buying it from the logger, from a public. We scale them up and we pay on a Friday. Everyone likes to get paid on Friday. Anyway, so what we do, you got this scale stick. You've got to look at this log right here. See how it's egg shaped. It's longer this way than this way. We buy from the smallest diameter. Look right there. All right, so that's it's 12 inches this way, and it's 14 inches this way. So we'll split the difference and give them 13 inches. This here's an ash. I love cutting ash. Same way, we scale it the same way. 12 inches here, 13 inches there, so we'll give it 12. Right here, red oak. That's a 13-inch tree, and we'll just kind of do it so on and so forth down the line. It's not a real glamorous job, but it's an important job because the person holding the stick has the power to tick off a bunch of loggers or pay way too much, and then you ain't making no money.